Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hear footsteps better on Fortnite PS5. So this feature came out recently. So you want to go ahead and go to your settings at the top right there. On the settings, you want to go to your system software, system software update, and you want to make sure that your system is up to date. If it's up to date, then you can go back and go to the sound option. And on the sound option, you want to make sure that your audio output is controller headset, so that you have connected your headphones to your controller. And if you already done that, then you want to make sure to go to volume. You will see here headphones volume, which you can adjust. And right there on accessibility, you will see audio focus. So this is what does it the best. So you can go ahead and turn it on just like so. And the focus type, as you can see, if you would boost high pitch, you would amplify high frequency sounds like footsteps and metallic noises. So instead of all of these, you want to go ahead and choose boost high pitch. And then you can go ahead and press audio preview and see if you like it or not. And you can also adjust left and right separately too. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.